Merci ma lettre, je vous reviens. Oh my god! Attends, je sais pas, regarde. Ah! Le plafond! Non, ça se peut pas.
I turned 30 years old on April 21st, so we decided to throw the ultimate birthday party.
Of course she went with the Harry Potter theme.
No muggles allowed. Left Montreal the next morning for a quick trip to Toronto.
Had to mute all this footage because we kept screaming Drake every time we saw the CN Tower. Checked into our hotel.
Had a quick bite to eat at the vegan restaurant.
This is me 5 minutes before having an allergic reaction.
And this is me running away from our problems.
Had the best time at the Dance Gavin Dance show.
Woke up early to explore a bit of the city.
Stopped at this quirky restaurant for some brunch.
Scrolling the ground.
It was rainy, but we made the best of it. Loved our quick trip to Toronto, and it left us feeling inspired.
decided to come back this summer. How do you celebrate your birthday? What's your craziest birthday moment?
Let us know in the comments below, and while you're there, be sure to like this video and subscribe if you aren't already.